The one beauty about having moringa, not only that you can eat it, but you get surprises like this. The parakeets, oh my days, oh bless. Oh yeah, I'm so glad that he's found something in the garden that he can eat. So this is the first one I've managed to capture, but on the camera they have a distinct sound that they make. So I'm looking out currently onto the garden from my studio. Let's see if we can get any closer. Oh, beauty. So it's eating the seeds from the moringa drumstick, sorry. And I'm so glad that there is something in the garden that attracts them. I see them passing as they go into Bridgetown, and I've seen mainly green ones, but there are also a blue coloured one. I've seen one in the garden, but it's just amazing to see. I knew that a bird was stripping the drumsticks, but I wasn't, I didn't actually see it in action. But to know that the parakeet, that's one of the things that they like, is just brilliant. I've got over 30 very closely planted moringa trees that now have an abundance of these drumsticks that are drying on their trees. And so yeah, this is especially in a time where it's very dry and it would be difficult for some of the birds to find food, then it's great to be able to provide them. So yes, it strips them, and I think he's probably gone on to a next one.